Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Stripe checkout page in just 5 minutes. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to set up Stripe payment links for your online store, Shopify, or any business website, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Stripe is one of the most popular payment processing platforms, trusted worldwide for handling secure transactions and subscriptions. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in by clicking the Sign In button at the top right. If not, you can create a new account in minutes by following the steps on their website. Once you're logged into your Stripe dashboard, look for the Payments section. Inside here, you'll find an option called Payment Links. This is one of the easiest ways to build a checkout page without writing any code. Click on Payment Links and then select Add a Product. Enter the product or service details you want to sell. Make sure the name, price, and description are clear and accurate. Next, choose the payment method options. Stripe supports multiple currencies, one-time payments, and even recurring subscriptions. If you want more flexibility, go into the advanced options, where you can add shipping details, promo codes, or set up specific checkout conditions. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Link. Stripe will now generate a unique URL. This is your Stripe checkout link. You can share this checkout page anywhere. Add it to your Shopify or WooCommerce store. Embed it on your website, or even send it directly to customers through email or social media. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a Stripe checkout page with payment links in 5 minutes. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy Stripe and Shopify payment setup guides.